Hi, Miss Violeta. How are you?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I'm Violeta G. Archaga, 31 years of age, single, blessed with one child, college level. I work as a domestic helper in Philippines for 2 years and served 4%.
Okay, so what is your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties of my previous employer is all around cleaning, washing, take good care of the children, sir, madam.
Okay, so what are the most important things in taking care of the children?
In taking care of the children, you must secure the children, feed healthy food, and had a good hygiene, sir, madam.
Okay, so can you offer tutorial for the child?
Yes, sir, madam.
Give at least 3 lessons you can teach for them.
I can teach counting by numbers, teaching alphabet, and singing nursery rhymes, sir, madam.
Then what do you think is the reason why the baby is crying?
The reason why the baby is crying, maybe he or she is sick or hungry and sleepy, sir, madam.
Then how will you know if the baby is sick?
When he or she cry without reason, he or she had a high temperature, and he or she don't want to eat, sir, madam.
Okay, so what made you decide to work in Hong Kong?
I decided to work in Hong Kong to help my family, to give my son a good education,
Okay.
and to have my own house and lot, sir, madam.
So how long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
As long as you need me, sir, madam, and you want me to work in your house, sir, madam.
How will you overcome homesickness?
I keep myself busy and pray to God to overcome it, sir, madam.
Okay, so do you have any last message to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please choose me as your employee. I will guarantee you to give you the best 100% service. You can trust me, and I will take good care of your children and give you a satisfaction, sir, madam.
Okay, so thank you very much and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before we end, kindly show your best smile.